Welcome to the Primacin XL Pills My Honest Review. We reviewed 100 plus male enhancement brands. You will be shocked at what we found. Don't buy until you read and watch this video till the end. Are you confused? Having some question in your mind about Primacin XL Pills? Blah blah blah, brr brr brr. What is Primacin XL Pills? What are advantages of Primacin XL Pills? What are disadvantages of Primacin XL Pills? Could Primacin XL Pills end your sex life? How it works. Primacin XL Pills. Primacin XL Pills have any special discount? How to use Primacin XL Pills. Primacin XL Pills free trial available now? What are Primacin XL Pills ingredients? How safe and effective is this product? Primacin XL Pills have any side effects? Primacin XL Pills real customer result. Where to buy Primacin XL Pills? How much cost? Does Primacin XL Pills is scam? What is doctor opinion? Does diabetes patient use it? 100% genuine, natural product? The cheapest price surety? Immediate delivery of your orders? 100% secure checkout? 30 days buyback guarantee? Same day dispatch on the order status? Who is buzzing about the Primacin XL Pills? I will clear your all question/confusion about the Primacin XL Pills. Please visit the website, click the below link, and read complete info of your answer. Click the below link know complete information about your confusion.